back at this Primera boiler, man. Troublesome boiler. What was happening now is that she cut out on the flow switch. The pump was just actually she fires up and it just goes off. First it went off on limit, and then on the flow switch. And if you see right there, contactor's cooked. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the contactor, get this guy going. Honestly, these boilers are just they're insane, man. These things suck. There's always a problem with this shit, especially with this location. You notice here, this wire's cooked. And let me get this. I don't have my camera, it's my phone, so let me get this going on. Show you guys what happens. Yeah, I don't have a 20, I have a 30 here for now, but I gotta get them going. I don't have a choice. So that's all I have in the truck for now. I'll get them going. Make sure they're in. Okay, so now I'm going to take the control wire. I was testing the pump, so I jumped it out for now. So she was running. This boiler's horrible. Alright, everything's tight. I'm ready to fire this guy up. Let me just put these things away. Okay, so I'm gonna fire it. Turn it on. Give it a test run. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take an amperage reading while she fires up. So, makeup air came on, pumps on. Let's see what the hot surface igniter does. Should pull about 3.5 amps when she's ready to fire. There it goes. She's igniting. 3.6, not bad. And we're a little low on water. Something wrong with this PRV. She's not making up. See that? I just filled it back up. fill it a little bit more. See, if I had a gauge here and here, the gauge after the PRV, I would know what I'm dealing with, but she's making up now. You can't just, adjust it without knowing what you have here. But we do have hot water. You see, as soon as that hot surface ignites, she's out. No more amperage. I'm going to take an amperage reading on the pump and see why that contactor burnt out. We're pulling 14 amps. There it goes, guys. This is the controller.